I think you are searching about car repair tools, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality car repair tools? Need free shipping car repair tools? Looking for car repair tools having large number of pieces? Looking for widely used car repair tools kit? If the answer is yes, then let's go and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best car repair tools kit. Number 1. WORKPRO car repair tools kit, and the feature is model number W003025AE. Type: wrenches, ratchet, sockets, screwdrivers, combination. Application: household tool set. Number of pieces: 123 pieces. Package weight: 10.5 kilograms. Let's go for number 2. MX-DEMEL car repair tools kit, and the feature is model number MX-DEMEL. Type: wrenches, sockets, drills, combination. Application: woodworking tool. Number of pieces: 46 pieces. Package weight: 1.25 kilograms. Let's go for number 3. Hot Professional car repair tools kit, and the feature is model number YZL6018. Type: wrenches, ratchet, sockets, combination. Application: car repair tool set. Number of pieces: 46 to 53 pieces. Package weight: 1.5 kilograms.